The Wilton Recipe Right Non-Stick Mini Loaf. Pan set is a versatile and reliable choice for any baking enthusiast. Made from high-quality steel, this mini loaf pan set offers durability and excellent heat conduction for even baking. The non-stick coating ensures that your baked goods release easily, leaving minimal mess and making cleanup a breeze. With the compact dimensions of 3D into 5.74W into 2.12H, these mini loaf pans are perfect for creating individual servings or smaller portions of your favorite recipes. Whether you're baking bread cakes or meatloaf, these pans deliver consistent results every time. One of the standout features of this pan set is its oven-safe capability. You can confidently place it in the oven at temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for various baking techniques. Additionally, the pans are dishwasher safe, offering convenience and saving you time and effort on hand washing. The sleek black color adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, and the Wilton.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.